Increasing repeat buyers is a super easy way to make more money, make consistent sales, especially if you're in a niche and you sell the similar type of items. Increasing these buyers is super easy way to make more money, make consistent sales, and not work as much if you're having buyers just continue to come back. eBay knows this, and they have provided us with a new store function, lots of new functions. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you guys through how to use some of the new store features and then show you how to tell if it's working and if you are actually getting more repeat buyers from it. So let's jump right into it. If you do have an eBay store, you do have to have a subscription to use this feature, eBay stores, right? It makes sense. It's in the title. But if you go to your eBay My Seller Hub, there is a new store. Oh, let me share my screen. You guys can't see what I'm doing. There we go. If you guys go to your Seller Hub, you will see up here, and it does get rolled out. So hopefully you have it by now. If you don't, you should get it soon. Reach out to eBay. But you can see here it has a new store tab and it says new. There's so many cool features in here. I'm going to show you the features. I'm going to show you what it looks like on my store so you can see what you want to use and how to use it. And then I will show you how to tell if it is actually increasing your repeat buyers. So you can come here, you can see down on the left, there is the edit store. And I'll talk a little bit about some of the features there. Store categories. So the purpose of this is to make it as unique and easy for the buyer as possible. So we'll talk a little bit about that. A store newsletter. eBay now allows you, and not allows you, but has a way for you to send newsletters to subscribers. Subscriber discounts. This is moved from, I don't remember where it was before, but this is essentially how you get a discount that eBay gives us, not our subscribers, but as a subscriber, as an eBay store owner, this is a discount. So like you get free shipping supplies, that'll take you right there. And then how to manage your subscription. So, if you have a store and you want to upgrade it or whatever, that's what that is. The most important ones that I'm going to talk about are these top three right here. Edit your store. If you have not done anything, all of this will be blank, but as you go through, you're able to edit it, and you want to make it as customizable, as friendly, as happy as people want to look. They want to go to your store, understand what you're about, understand who they're supporting, make it as unique as possible so you stand out from the other millions of sellers on eBay. Why do they want to come to your store and support you? And you can see I put a picture here, putting photos there. If you don't want to put a picture of yourself, put a picture of your inventory or of your dog, something that is relatable and makes people want to shop. Come down here, fill out as much of this as possible. It really allows the buyers to engage with you, understand who they're supporting, understanding who they're buying from. If you guys have been following the eBay Open as well as numerous consumer reports, buyers are wanting more and more to support but to support small businesses and to support sustainability and, thrifted items. So any of these things that you can show the buyer that you are doing, that they are supporting a person, they are supporting it. To me, it's a mom. They are supporting sustainability, thrifted items, showing the buyer why they're buying from you as opposed to, a big Target or even from any of the other buyers. This is the purpose of it, and this is how you're going to get repeat buyers. So fill out as much as you can. You can scroll down here, I have a picture and then it says the shop. You can go in and add categories. So you can add new categories or you can do eBay shop categories. For me personally, I stick with eBay shop categories because it allows, when you are searching on eBay, the left filter on eBay, if you have eBay store categories, those filters that you can select will then bring them to you. If you select your own, they cannot be filtered in the search. So keep that in mind when you're going through and doing this. And then you can go into your about. I say I'm a mom of 3 kids. I have a special needs kids. I sell online. It allows me flexibility. I also do this to keep up with sustainability. I think, keep things out of landfills. I have yet to do a video. It's on my agenda, but you can do a video. Let people engage with you. Even if you don't want to show your face and talk, you can say, hey, this is the behind the scenes. Show them thrifting, show them the work, show them whatever you think will help them understand who you are as a business and why supporting you matters. You can then go down and go to store policies. You know, I fill these out. This is my shipping. Even though I have one shipping business day, oftentimes I will ship same day if it comes in early in the morning. I do offer returns, you know, quick ways for them. There's other, depending on, there's, you know, warranties, data privacy policies, other policies that you can go ahead and put in here. Go back to the shop, you can scroll down, feature your listings. Do you have, you know, show them a quick idea of what they're going to be seeing as they're going through your items. You can also add a row, you know, multiple rows. I have my best sellers. You can go in if you guys, I don't do holiday collections, but it's the holidays. It was the holidays. You guys are probably viewing this in January. I'm filming it in December, but you, if you had a holiday collection, put your holiday collection there. I'm going to show you what this looks like on the store so you guys can visualize in a minute what would work. You can use a banner, drive customers to promotions, featured items, or categories. You know, as summer comes up, you can drive them. If you go in here and you click on this, let's edit the banner. So I have to edit it. You guys will probably have to create a new if you haven't done it. Like I said, I'm doing store categories. I'm sending them to my women's clothing. I'm saying, hey, holiday shopping, don't miss out. When they click on shop now, it takes them to women's clothing. If you have a holiday features, you can, or category, you can send them, hey, Christmas shopping, go, you know, head to Christmas shopping right now. And then this is how you would edit some of it. Let's go back. Sorry, I'm going to have to, nope, I don't want to do that. Sorry. It does allow you to preview it. Sorry, I'm going to cancel. You guys would want to save. And then you can do category preferences. Your eBay categories, like I said, I keep to eBay categories so that you can filter it, but you could also do store categories. Tells you a little bit more about it down here. So let's preview what it's going to look like. I showed you before, you can preview it. You do want to, actually, let's look at the preview because it will show you both versions. I don't remember the exact number, but more and more buyers are shopping on mobile. So you do want to make sure this is going to show you how to look at it on a computer. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys noticed, they now have how many items that you've sold. Your feedback tells you a little bit about, you know, the quick little blurb about me. This is why are you supporting me? They can look at the about. Do they want to know, you know, some of your store policies? They can understand a little bit more about your store. And then if you added your featured items here, they can scroll through those. This is what the banner looks like. And then they can get down to all of my items. Let me know what you guys think. I'm debating whether I like the banner or not. It seems really overwhelming and people may not scroll down to look at my items. Let me know what you think down below. And then let's look at the mobile. You can see how it looks on the mobile because a lot of people are shopping this way. They look at the featured items, they scroll down, they see the banner, they see this, you know, look at how they can see it on the mobile. Now, this is all well and good, but how is it actually increasing? Oh, no. Two more things I want to show you, and then I'll show you how to tell if it's actually increasing your repeat buyers. So then you have store categories. You can go in here and edit these and add and change if you want. Just be mindful of, you want people to easily find your stuff, but you don't want it to be so specific that they have to click 17 times, right? But you really do want to make this an easy process. Once they're on your website, you know, your eBay store, you want to help them find what they want to be able to find. And then you can do the store newsletter. This is pretty cool. So you click up here and you create a newsletter, and you can go through and set up different things. I have 2 active right now. Check out my new inventory. I'm sending to all subscribers, so they can subscribe to my store, and then they will get sent this every 2 weeks. It sends them, hey, here's Sarah's styles. Here's the new inventory that she's added in the past 2 weeks. So people who are subscribed are now getting newsletters and saying, hey, here's Sarah's new stuff, and encouraging repeat buyers. I'm going to show you how to tell if this is working or not in a minute. And then also new subscribers, I have one set up. I just get sent to them once. Hey, welcome to my store, a little bit about me. Now, how to tell if this actually works. If you guys go ahead and click on, actually, I'll show you up here. If you click on the performance tab up here and then you click on sales, I will show you, let's go up. So you click on performance and you click on sales. If you scroll down, there's all these metrics. I have lots of videos. Make sure to subscribe to learn how to read these metrics and check out my eBay tutorial playlist. playlist on videos I've actually done on a lot of these metrics. But if you scroll down, you go to my buyer's insight, and it will tell you repeat buyers. Are these new features, are the things that you're using actually working? And for me in the past, I looked at a quarter because this is kind of a new feature and I've been adding to it. 20%. I've increased my sales, my repeat buyers by 20%. So these new features are working for me. Try one feature out, go back and look at the metrics and see if it is actually working. If you like this video, YouTube thinks you'd like this video, I will link a playlist of more eBay tutorials here, and then make sure to hit that subscribe button.